Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So, in order to explain the same, I'm taking this program in edit mode. So, as usual, firstly we are declaring few variable, and to know about the values and their data type and the length, you can refer the IBM official website, and from there itself I have declared these variable. So once the variable is declared, now it's time to use the command. So for that reason, I'm using RTVSYSVAL. Just write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Once you press F4, it will take you to this screen where we are supposed to pass the sysval, means the value name, and the variable name in which we will retrieve that value. Now if you want to know about this value, what all values we can retrieve from it, then you can go to the help window by pressing F1. Once you press F1, you will be there in this screen where you will find all the information regarding the values that we can retrieve from this command. So today we are going to discuss about, because these are the one which we have already covered. Today we are going to discuss about QBASPOOL, which means base pool. So what it will return? It will return minimum size of the base storage pool in kilobytes. Okay. So if you are looking for the minimum size of base storage pool, then you can use this value and it will return you the minimum size of the base storage pool in kilobyte. To specify the size in megabyte, the number must be followed by *MB and enclosed in apostrophes. Okay, changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Second value we are going to discuss is QBOOKPATH, which is book and bookshelf search path. This value system is not going to use anymore from longer. Okay, and the third value is CCSID, which is coded character set identifier. You have heard lot of thing about the CCSID, so it might be useful for you. Rest of the things we are not going to use that much of in that much purpose, like but CCSID you might need. So coded character set identifier. Changes made to the system value take effect for the job started after the change is made. Okay, so from this screen you will find the information regarding all the values that we can retrieve from the system. So just copy it and paste it here in sysval one by one. So firstly we are doing it for the QBASPOOL, and then I'm passing the variable name in which I want to store the values. I keep the same variable name so that it will be easy for you to understand what value we are retrieving. But if you want to change the variable name, then you can, but make sure that you are passing the same data type and same length. Okay, so similarly we will do this for the second value, which is book path, and third value QCCSID. So once these three line got executed, we will retrieve the values in the respective variable. Now it's time to print the value. For printing purpose, we use sndpgmmsg command, and it will not accept anything apart from character. So make sure if you are passing any decimal variable, then you have to convert it to character. So same thing I'm doing here on line number 24. Just write sndpgmmsg, press F4. Here you can pass the variable but inside the built-in function. So I'm passing it as %char, and my base spool variable I'm passing it here. Okay. Now similarly I'm passing it for the line number 26, but here book path is already in a character type variable, so we are passing it directly. And for third line number 29, we are passing it inside the character built-in function to print the value, and QCCSID is a decimal, that's why we are converting it to character. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we will compile it and see the output. It is compiled successfully. Now I am calling this program. So first value, which is base spool storage, is this, which is in byte. Now I'm doing page down kilobytes, sorry. And now this is the book path, and third one is the CCSID. So this is how we can utilize this RTVSYSVAL command in order to retrieve the information regarding related to the base spool, book path, and CCSID. I hope it's clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.